Hello everyone, I am Namuna Basnet from KFA Business School and today I am excited to show you how to make a delicious chocolate eclairs. This classic French dessert is easier to make than you think. So let's get started. Here is what all you need: 50 ml fresh cream, 50 ml milk, 2 teaspoons sugar, 25 gram pistachios, 25 gram strawberries, 25 gram butter, 1 egg, 75 gram flour and chocolate chips for garnish. With everything ready, let's jump into the cooking process. First, melt 50 gram of butter in a saucepan over low heat and add 25 ml milk and stir well. After that, add 75 gram of flour and sugar in the mixture and stir continuously until it forms a smooth dough. Then add 1 egg in the mixture. So now our mixture look like this. The dough should be smooth. By using a piping bag, pipe the eclairs into small pieces on a baking paper. Then bake the eclairs in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius about 20 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Place the dough in the piping bag. Make a small size of eclairs. Now place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. After baking for 20 minutes, our eclairs look like this. We should spread a chocolate on the top of eclairs. So the pistachios, strawberries and chopped chocolates are used for garnish. Add pistachios for garnishing. Then add chopped strawberries. Add chocolates on the top of the eclairs. And there you have it, our chocolate eclairs is ready to enjoy. I hope you try this recipe at your home and don't forget to like this video and share to your loved ones.